Hey friends, if you wish to turn high contrast on or off on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So with Windows 10, the process was a little different. They had a high contrast mode, but Windows 11 has high contrast themes. So here's what we have to do. Search for the word contrast. Okay, go to contrast theme settings. Okay, and then you can select a contrast theme, any one of the top ones, and apply it to the system. All you need to do is click on apply. Okay, and now the contrast themes have been enabled. So this has a beauty of its own. This helps to people with visibility issues. And to disable it, simply select the contrast themes at none and click on apply and see the difference. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.